No, you feel good.
She feels like shit because we gave her so much to drink because it's 2013.
Maribel, wake up.
Maribel, go to your room.
Fuck you.
Help her out. Help her out. Ryan and I are cooking. Go help her out.
Yeah. Go. Actually, you
I'm
and
not even sure.
you and what's your name?
Husband.
Husband.
I've got Tylenol for
Okay,
you.
you get.
Okay, we have Tylenol. You have to say this. No, you have to say Tylenol.
No.
No, you have to say Ted. Pick her up.
Ted.
Ted, pick her up.
Take her.
Oh, there she goes. Okay, here, I'll give it to you.
Here's some water.
Wait, let me get sure. What is that? Where did you get that?
It's
Tylenol.
Tylenol.
Are you
Oh,
sure?
there she goes.
No, I'm just giving her random drugs.
I'm going up the stairs.
Whatever.
And we're going to go take Tylenol. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Where is my sister? Hello. There she is. Okay. We're almost there. We got Tylenol.
No.
Give me a message for 2013.